I'm Christine Frizzau in Washington, where President Trump has made clear one of his top priorities is fighting back against fraud. He's now designated his vice president as the one to help oversee with that, with several aggressive actions already taken. But critics are calling his actions cruel and say they're actually about scoring political points. The war on fraud in full force in Washington.
We have way too many people who got way too comfortable getting rich off of your tax dollars instead of providing the services that they need.
The state of Minnesota, a top target for Vice President JD Vance, who President Trump announced this week will oversee White House anti-fraud efforts. His first act, withholding $259 million in Medicaid funds from Minnesota due to claims of widespread fraud. This video from conservative social media influencer Nick Shirley raising multiple red flags, with dozens of daycares, transport businesses, and healthcare companies in Minnesota accused of collecting millions from the government for services never provided.
This is fraud taking place.
It sparked a massive fraud crackdown by Republicans, with multiple hearings, a new nominee for fraud czar to lead the federal government's response, and Governor Tim Walz dropping out of his re-election, also just announcing a new anti-fraud legislative package, blaming President Trump for playing politics.
This is a targeted retribution against a state that the president doesn't like. The White House solution to this is to take health care from poor people. Our solution to it is catch these people before they do it, and if we don't, to lock them away for a long time.
Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Administrator Dr. Mehmet Oz says these programs in particular have been abused for years.
It became very easy to cheat the American government during COVID, when the guardrails were down because we wanted to make sure that no one got denied care. COVID's over. We have to put the guardrails back up again.
Why is it so hard to fight this?
Because it's ingrained in many areas. The penalties, if you commit fraud, are trivial. If I steal $5 million from you in Medicaid, it's maybe a year and a half in jail. I rob a bank for $10,000. I'm in slammer for a long time.
At Tuesday night's State of the Union address, President Trump made clear his war on fraud would be expanding, naming not only Minnesota, but Maine, California, and Massachusetts as targets. I'm Christine Frizzau reporting.